All right, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this online recorded lecture of problem solving and computer programming course. This video is being recorded in summer 2016. So let's look at the agenda for today. All right, so today we will be talking about the various algorithm building blocks. We'll be doing a recap of these. Then we'll talk about decisions, how to empower the computer to take decisions. And then we'll talk about something called if statements, if else statements, and we'll see a few examples and a few problems related to the selection building block, how it is used to design the algorithms. Then related to these if-else statements, we'll look at the two styles. One is called the cascaded if-else statements and the other is called the nested if-else statements. Alright, so let's talk about the algorithm building blocks. So we talked about three basic algorithm building blocks. One was sequence, which means that all of the statements are executed one after the other. Then the second building block is called selection, which means that certain statements are executed and certain are not executed. So this is the building block which actually uses decisions, which is our main topic for today. And the third building block is called repetition, or famously known as loops or iteration. So we'll talk about loops and repetition and iteration in the next lecture. For now, let's focus on selection or decisions. Alright, so empowering the computer to make decisions, we write certain statements in which we state a particular a test expression. So if that expression evaluates to true, then certain statements are executed. Similarly, that expression or that test expression, and that is also known as a condition, that can also evaluate to false. So in that case, another set of statements is executed. So decisions are simply various are basically fork in the road. At that point, the computer has to take a decision as to which set of statements it needs to execute. So by and large, a decision statement divides or bifurcates the program into two branches. One is the true branch, or we'll call that a true block or a true branch, and the other is called the false block or the false branch.